Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make tiger stripe soap. I will include the recipe in the description for this video. For this project I will need distilled water, sodium hydroxide, 3 liquid oils such as sunflower, olive and castor, 2 hard oils such as pure coconut oil with melting point of 76 Fahrenheit and unrefined shea butter, but you can use refined and it's gonna be okay. Masculine fragrance that is not going to accelerate my trace. Skin safe colorants. In my particular case it's gonna be titanium dioxide, activated charcoal, orange neon, and one of the iron oxides. For my equipment I will need a soap mold, about 4 spatulas. Also I will need some sort of vessel like a measuring cup to blend my soap butter, and scales. I have measured my water. Now I'm just gonna be measuring lye and then pour lye into the water. After that I'm going to combine coconut and the shea and put it in microwave to melt. Now I will add to my melted hard oils 3 liquid oils. After this, I'm going to prepare my 3 colorants. And now when finally everything is ready, I am going to pour my lye into my oils, blend it and take it to emulsion, maybe just a little bit over. Now I am going to use about 150 grams for my white color, 150 grams for my black color, and the rest is gonna be orange. And finally, when everything is ready and my soap butter is well blended, I can pour my fragrance. In this particular case, this is a masculine soap, so the fragrance is masculine and it's not going to accelerate my trace. But you can use any kind of fragrance, masculine or feminine, but it should not accelerate your trace. Now I will start pouring little by little, one color on the top of another color. And it doesn't matter if you start with black or white or orange, but as you remember, I have 150 of white, 150 of black, and the rest is orange. It means that I have a little bit less of white and black. And it also means that every time I pour orange, I'm gonna be using a little bit more of that color, unlike white or black. Just a quick note from my observations, and probably you know it and you also notice it, but you can see that my lines are kind of blurry, and I like it. If my butter was a little bit thicker, the lines would be more defined. And usually, if your butter originally is thick, your lines are gonna be defined at the beginning, or as you are progressing with your pouring, they're gonna be more and more defined, and also they're gonna be sitting more on the top of the soap. The next step is absolutely optional. You can do it or you can skip it, and you can do any design on the top of your soap. But sometimes I use this cake stand, and if you do, please just remember, do not spin it really fast, because you will have soap all over your kitchen, and that would be really disappointing. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.